In Kotlin, you can take user input from the console using the readLine function for reading strings, and then convert them to the desired data type using functions like toInt, toFloat, etc. Kotlin arithmetic operators perform mathematical calculations on numeric values like addition, subtraction, multiplication, etc. Kotlin comparison operators are used to compare values and produce a Boolean result, true or false. Kotlin logical operators are used to perform logical operations on Boolean values. Logical and returns true if both operands are true, otherwise false. Logical or returns true if at least one operand is true, otherwise false. Logical not reverses the Boolean value of the operand. Assignment operators are used to assign values to variables. They combine the assignment equal sign operator with other arithmetic operators to modify the value of a variable. The increment and decrement operators are used to increase or decrease the value of a variable by 1, respectively. The if statement is used for conditional branching. It allows executing different blocks of code based on a condition. If the condition within the if statement is true, the code block inside the if block is executed. If the condition is false, the code block inside the else block is executed, if an else block is provided. In Kotlin, the if statement can also be used as an expression, which means it can return a value. The if statement here assigns the value greater to result if the condition is true. If the condition is false, it assigns less or equal to result. The else if construct allows for the evaluation of multiple conditions sequentially after an initial if statement. It enables handling additional conditions if the initial if condition is not met. The when statement is used as a replacement for the traditional switch statement found in some other programming languages. It allows for concise and flexible branching based on multiple conditions. The when statement checks the value of the fruit variable. Depending on the value, it prints a message describing the type of fruit. If fruit is apple, it prints it's an apple. If fruit is orange, it prints it's an orange. If fruit is banana, it prints it's a banana. If fruit doesn't match any of the specified cases, it prints unknown fruit.